Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a little vlog, well, a nursery tour. So I've been really wanting to film this for a long time, but you know, kids happen. So I decided that today is a really good day to film because it's really sunny outside, and yeah, we're kind of bored, nothing much to do inside the house because we're still in quarantine 2021. I don't know how long this will be going on, but hopefully we'll be out in quarantine soon and enjoy things again and actually have Eden like explore the world, huh? Because every time I watch TV, she thinks like that they're talking to her. She doesn't have much of a human interaction right now, so I think it would be really good for her to see other people for a little bit. I try not to go outside because, you know, I don't really want to expose her with anything. So yeah, life in the pandemic. But I hope you guys are doing well, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with the tour. Shall we? So we're going to start the tour here. I'm kind of having a technical difficulties because Eden is on my other hand because she's getting really fussy. So bear with us. So this is the entryway. Her door won't stay open, so I had to kind of put a door jamb in there. But as soon as before you walk in, you see this little sign. It says "Little Princess Sleeps Here." This is actually one of my husband's co-workers' present. They got us a little basket that has that and like a blanket and stuff. So it was really sweet. And then behind here is just things that I like to hide. This is just a box from her bouncer, because we don't really have much storage in this house, so I just kind of hide it behind the door. And then right over here is her diaper pail. That one's was also a baby shower gift from Kathy. This one's the Ubi one. I really like this because the smell, the diaper smell doesn't, like, you can't really smell it because it's steel, so it contains more of the smell compared to like plastic ones. So if you guys are looking for a good diaper pail, that one's really good, and you can use any trash bags for this one. So that's good. And then over here is just her laundry hamper. And here is just all of her blankets and all of her muslin cloths. So when we're on the go, I just kind of grab one with me just in case I need to cover up when I'm feeding her in public, or if she needs like a blanket while we're strolling. Sorry, I'm interrupted. But yeah, as I was saying, I converted this chair into, it was a rocker, and then I converted it to a regular chair because I was too short to be using the rocker. So I changed it to that. It's just much more comfy, and it doesn't move as much, so that's good. And then over here is just it's Eden's mini closet. We don't have a closet in this room because, as you can tell, it's really small. So this one's supposed to be like a play gym. Like there's like toys in there. I mean, like, I can't really point it out, but if you guys see those little pink beads right there, she's supposed to like play with those. But I used it as her coat hangers or her clothing rack, because she doesn't have one. So, and she's already got 2 play gyms, so I was like, I'll just use that for that. And then over here is just one of the first ultrasound pictures that we got taken when she was, when was this? I think this is 12 20 weeks. 20 weeks. I have to look. 4, 7, 20, 20. I think yeah, I think it's 20 weeks. And over here is just a bunch of her shoes. That one's like a card that we got from our family friends when she was born. And then these are her books that her titas sent us for her baby shower. And then over there is just her birth certificate holder, which I haven't put her certificate yet. And then over here is her crib. This one was a gift to us by my sister and her boyfriend. So thank you for that. She's kind of mad because I'm not really using it yet. But it will be soon. We'll be sleep training her. If you guys want to drop some comments below on how to sleep train a baby to go in the crib, let me know. And then over here is just the Bobby pillow. I don't use it as much anymore because Eden's getting really big. So I don't really need it as much, so I just use it for her tummy time. And then over here is just all the teddy bears that was given to her by her grandma and grandpa. And then the pink one is from our family friend. And then over here is her name sign that I kind of did. I just made this like circle floral arrangement thing because I was supposed to use it all like throughout the whole entire wall, but I just felt like it looked funny, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to put it around her name because I was going to arrange it like individual stems like horizontally, but I just felt like that would be too cluttered. And over here is our hiding corner again. So another play gem. Hold on, I'm gonna have to put you down, baby. She's hanging on for dear life. All right, back to this corner. So over here is just her play gem, and then I just kind of put her handbook over here, and then her bib. This one's just a bib. She's not eating yet, or she's not using it yet, so I just kind of put that there in the meantime. But right over here is her handbook, and then over here is the diaper bag. I have two. I'm using a tote right now, so I'm not really, I just put this away for now. And then over in this corner is our changing area. This is our changing basket from Oliella. And then this one is called the Riva basket, and then I just got the insert to go with it. And then over here is just all of her bows. These ones, when she was little, her hair wouldn't, it's just cute to put on her head because her hair is just all over the place and it's just a cute distraction, you know. And then over here, not the most organized, but I'm just kind of throwing things in here because right now she's sleeping with us in our room, and I have a little caddy over there that I have all of her stuff in. So this is kind of just like a catch-all drawer for her. So over here is just all her bibs, and then just things for her bath, more burp cloths, and then just her socks. We're not really going out anywhere, so didn't buy much socks, and the house is pretty warm, so more socks. And then over here is just all of her, I just got this recently. They finally came in yesterday. I ordered these back in Christmas because I can finally tie her hair. So I thought I would get her some bows because those ones don't really do much for her anymore. So I got her these bows, and then over here are just her extra essentials. These one was gifted to us. I tried to use the Johnson's on her and she had a rash, so I don't know if that's, so I just stopped using it. And then right now we're using Honest. And then over here, that was really off topic, but over here is just her pillow, so she doesn't get flat head, but she's not using that. She's got flat head anyway. And over here is just all of her clothes, as far as her, like I normally put her onesies here, but we've got a few of her sweaters in here. These ones are all her t-shirt onesies. Over here is her long sleeve onesies, and back there are just the ones that she's outgrown. she's outgrown those. These. This one is just more of her keepsake stuff, like the ultrasound thing. And then I think, yeah, this one's a gold bracelet that was given to her by my mom's, one of my mom's really good friends. And then over there is just a sound machine that doesn't work anymore. And then over here is all of her bigger clothes, which is, over here is more of her sleep sacks. And, oh, bless you. Bless you, Eden. And then over here is just all of her, I promise I normally have this all very organized, but today is just not the day. And then over here is just her stockings. Here's pants. These ones are more of her like matching clothes, like matching sets. And then these ones are her towels, and then a bunch of coats that she doesn't really wear because, you know, it's not really safe to use really bulky coats on babies while they're in the car seat. So I just kind of let her wear that whenever we're holding her. So yeah, the way I organize her clothes is, or the way we buy clothes is that we buy it through a season. So we're not like, because this is her only closet. So I normally we don't buy clothes constantly, or like we don't buy clothes in bulks. We only do it like 3 to 6 months. Like right now we would have to shop for her again for 6 to 9 months because she's starting to outgrow her 3 to 6 months clothes. So yeah, here is Eden. She needs to take a bath soon, don't you? She's also teething, so she has so much rashes on her face right now because she's drooling all over the place. And when I tried to put the a bib on her, and that just irritated her skin even more. So I just stopped, and I'm just using Vaseline to kind of help her heal them. So we're gonna take a bath soon, don't we? Oh, she's getting fuzzy. So I'm gonna give her a bath soon. We'll see you guys again. Someone just finished bath. Someone just finished taking a bath. She just finished her bath time. And we're going to get you changed. Hey, Eden. She loves bath time. She doesn't cry, and she loves like playing in the water. So I'm excited. I'm actually going to open her bath toys so she can like play with that, because she's starting to sit up, and like she likes sitting down, like she likes sitting in her tub and just like, you know, trying to play with the water. So for her moisturizer, I use this one right here. It's called the Shea Moisture Baby Oil Rub. The pediatrician told me that I need to start using Vaseline because she's got like a lot of like all these spots right here, like her dry skin, and I don't do that because it's so sticky. I don't know why, but I just try to use this like twice a day, and I do use Vaseline on her face, just not on her body, because I just feel like it's just so much, like I don't like that on me either. So, and this is gonna be her little outfit for today. We're just gonna dress her up, even though we're not going anywhere. It's just really cute, so we'll get her changed.